In Module 3 of this course, we're going to dive right into 2D milling head first, and this is going to be a two-part course since there is quite a bit of content to cover within 2D milling and getting started with 2D milling of HSM successfully. So in our summary of our third module, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the HSM CAM tab as well as the toolpaths within the CAM tab more as a review. We're going to look at the key setup functions and go through our setup of our part with our first created stock. We're going to go through the HSM workflow into a toolpath. We're going to use the face mill toolpath to start our project off, and looking into this further, we're going to go over the tool library. We'll cover face milling all the way through. Then we're going to go ahead and create default toolpath values so that we can keep track of our toolpaths as we work through our project, and also create our defaults so that each time we use a toolpath, they'll be the same options within that toolpath every time. We'll go into the intro to 2D adaptive clearing, and I say intro as there's a lot of technology to cover with 2D adaptive. And I will be covering that more in depth in a later course. We'll go through contouring and creating derived operations. You'll get an intro to simulation. We'll cover boring and circular milling for round objects or features, and thread milling.